Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. And for today's video, andito tayo ngayon sa Great Eastern Hotel, Quezon City. And mamaya po is gaganapin ng MRJ year-end party. And I am one of the hosts later on. So maghahanap tayo ng mga models and mga kids na pwede nating kausapin at interviewin kung ano nga bang meron ngayong araw. Let's go! Hi guys, welcome to my vlog, and this is Afternoon Drive. My name is DJ Alvin from EuroTV Philippines, and for today's video, andito tayo ngayon sa Great Eastern Hotel, Quezon City, and makakasama natin ngayon ang isa sa pinaka-cute at pinaka-bibong bata sa balat ng lupa, the models and the ambassadoress of MRJ Collections. Hi baby girl, how are you?
I'm good.
So kindly introduce yourself to our viewers right now.
It's me, Juliana.
And how old are you, baby?
I am 7 years old.
7 years old. Oh, 7 years old. Yes. Where you came from, baby girl? Where you came from? Where do you live?
I live in South Korea.
South Korea. Ano sabi mo sa kanya?
Eh, hindi ko na-expect na ano siya. Wait lang.
Oo.
I thought ano, she was pure Filipina.
But she's a pure Filipina, right? She's a pure Filipina. She's living in Korea. So, minsan lang siyang nagbabakasyon dito sa Pilipinas kasi meron silang lupa't bahay. Oh, pinakamayaman sa sa mga models dito ngayong araw. Alright. So, ano nga sa English yung anong nagkakabalahan mo sa buhay? What is your
Pati ako, wala na
Oo,
reason
di ba?
eh. Opo.
Nauubusan tayo.
Parang, sige. Ibang tanong na lang.
Yes.
Sige, what do you want to become when you grow up?
Yeah.
I want to be a model.
Models. Who is your inspiration in modeling? Do you have any idol or who's your idol?
I don't really have one.
You don't have really.
It depends.
Yeah. So you don't know Catriona Gray like that, the Miss Universe in the Philippines. Do you know her? Not really. Oh.
Bleh.
So hindi daw niya kilala masyado sa ano. Kasi Korea nga eh, di ba?
Ano yung mga BTS?
Yes.
Si Jungkook. You know who Jungkook is, right?
Hindi rin.
Hindi rin.
So, si Jungkook kasi hindi siya Korea eh. Japan ata no si Jungkook. Yeah.
Hindi, mas Korean siya.
Na Korean
Pero
din.
I think mas kilala siya sa Japan, I think.
Mm-mm. Yeah. Blackpink. You know Blackpink? Oh, one of the member of Blackpink is my girlfriend. Yeah. Charot lang. Oo. So, how is your study? Kumusta ang pag-aaral? How's your school? It's good? High grades like that? With honors?
It's middle.
It's middle. I think I think you have a lots of followers. So what is your message to your 100,000 followers right now?
Thank you for loving and following me and all the support you all have given me.
Wow, nagets mo yun? Oh, hindi ko nagets.
Nag-guess ko talaga. Kahit katabi ko siya.
Oo, di ba? Kami kasi mga Pinoy talaga, ang hirap talaga mag-English. Kasi kami, pinag-aaral kami. Alam mo kung bakit, saan kami pumupunta? Sa bayabasan. Oo, di ba? Hindi kami nakikinig sa mga teacher kaya during time ng English subject namin, hindi kami nakikinig. Kasi alam mo ba, ang pinakamahirap na subject is English. Or lang.
Even me, natuto ako mag-English, hindi sa teacher ko, sa puyo ko ako natuto mag-English.
So,
Sa may bahay namin.
do you understand Tagalog? A little bit. What is the word in Tagalog do you remember?
Ako si Juliana.
Ako si Julia. Ako si Juliana is a slang word like that. So, ikaw ba mahilig ka ba sa mga slang? Minsan-minsan lang. Kasi ako, pag ako nag-i-slang, nadudulas ako. Oo.
Same.
So, you know the words, mahal ko kayo?
No.
Oh. You need to ask your mom, what is mahal ko kayo? In English is I love you all. Right? What is about mabuhay? You know that one? Mabuhay? Mabuhay means in English?
Live.
Hindi.
Mabuhay
Mabuhay. Welcome.
Welcome.
Yes. In English is welcome. In Tagalog is mabuhay. So from now on, we need to teach you how to speak in Tagalog because we are tired. Oo. My brain is many there's a lot of blood on my brain how to talk to you because you speak in English. But anyway, I hope that we can understand each other, right? So what is your message to your mom and dad right now who support you as always?
Thank you for supporting me and loving me.
Yes. Do you have a talent? What is your talent?
Singing.
Singing. Oh, can you please give?
Yeah, give us examples.
Yeah. Can you give some sample? What song would you like to sing?
Like a Filipino song.
Is it you if
yeah,
you want English
it's up to
or
you.
Filipino?
Christmas song. So do you know Filipino song?
I only know one.
What is the title? Mr. DJ, can I have a request? You know that song? Oh, it's from Sharon Cuneta. Yes.
Kasi ako, hindi ko alam.
One of my favorite songs, Mr. DJ, with Sharon Cuneta. One of my idol singer. How about the English one? Your favorite song in English? Let It Go from Frozen. A Million Dreams. You know that song? All I Want for Christmas? All I want for Christmas.
Is you.
Oh,
Ay, ang galing.
galing. Gusto ko yon yung word, issue. Yun ang naintindihan ko. Alright. So, Juliana, who is the designer of your dress right now?
Yeah, because your dress, maganda siya.
Your
It's
dress is
very
so
pretty.
beautiful.
It's giving Barbie.
Yeah.
Parang Barbie naman.
Same color with me.
Ako
Pink
talaga,
color.
Bakit naiiba dito?
It's okay. So, is that your favorite color, Julia?
It's my second.
Second. So, what is your favorite color?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah.
Oh. Ninoy tayo. And the second one is pink. Oh, diba? Lenny Robredo. All right. So, what is your favorite food? Food. Food.
Foods.
Favorite food.
Pagkain.
Fish.
Fish. Like tilapia, galonggong. Ay, you don't know you don't know tilapia or ano. So what is the Filipino fish you know? Bangus. You eat bangus? No, I don't like bangus because there's so many tinik-tinik. What is tinik-tinik? Bones?
Tinik bones.
Bones.
Fish
Oh.
bones.
Fish bones. There's a lot of fish bones. I don't like bangus. Your favorite bangus? You eat bangus?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. How about your hobbies? What is your hobbies? When you are bored, what is
What
your
do you like to do?
what do you like to do when you're bored?
Play game.
Play games, like a cell phone, gadget, playing laptop. You like labubo? Oh, I like to. Labubo is the number one trending here in the Philippines.
Anik-anik.
Yes, anik.
Wala pa
Ako din, wala pa din. Bubo meron. Okay. Julia, what is your message to your mommy princess, the owner and founder of MRJ Collections? What is your message to her?
Thank you for
Thank you for what?
inviting me.
Huh? And to your designer?
Thank you for making my dress.
Yes. She looks like beautiful, no? She looks beautiful. I like your dress with a shimmery, ang tawag doon? Sequence. Yeah. Do you have any social media accounts to promote, Julia? What is your social media accounts? Julia.
Please like, follow, and share.
Yes. Like and follow, share social media accounts of Julia. Right. So thank you so much, Julia, for coming. Thank you for allowing us one of our guests this afternoon. And I hope someday we can talk to my show, which is Afternoon Drive. If you remember, you are my guest last July. Last July, you are my guest in Euro TV Afternoon Drive show. Yeah, together with your mom. And good luck and take care of yourself as always. Keep on praying and I wish you all the best and stay humble.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much, guys. My name is DJ Alvin once again. Afternoon Drive sa Euro TV Philippines Entertainment. Bye-bye, everyone.